Okay, today guys, I'm going to be explaining what these tab up here are useful for before we dive into the main point on this AppCreator24 application. So firstly, this recovery delete apps. When you delete some apps, like you don't need them again, this is where you could recover them. And your details here, this is the details you use to register. So you could change anything you wish there, to add anything, change your password, delete your account, so many things you could do here, as you can see. And this Adfree service is like, maybe you created an app but you don't want to show ads in your apps, as in your app, so you could activate it, but you have to pay certain amount of money for this to be activated. So you have to pay a certain amount of money, as you can see on the screen right now. So they ask for one app is €15 per one app, approximately that's $17. So as you can see, you can choose as many app you want, so and make payments for it. And some of you that doesn't know what I mean by ads is like when you open an application, maybe you download an application, you see something like advertisement there. That's what I mean by ads. And this support, this where you could fill their community, chat with other peoples, ask question about this AppCreator24. And this subclient is very useful. Maybe a client gave you a work to help him or her to create an application. So after you done creating the application, he or she likes what she does done, he or she has to have access to this application in order to edit something wherever he wish, to view the user using his app, to do some other things. So this is where you could add the person, to have access to the stuff. And on this modify that I just click on, this is when you could put your company logo. So this will display on the client website when the client login with to this to view this application actually. But you could change the logo, the other text, photo text, anything you wish there. And click on the new subclient. You could add a name, the subclient name. You could just give the subclient a name, then put a email also. Make sure the email is not registered on AppCreator24 already. If it's already registered on AppCreator24, it won't go. It will says this email is already in use. So you just have to make sure the person doesn't have an account with AppCreator24. So you have to input the email there. In this second section, this is where you select the app that you want the client to have access to, and you select the section which you want him or her to have access to. If you want him to have access to all section, you click on the all section button. But if you want him to have to have some limitation, so you select the limitation, then you select what you want he or she to have access to, then you click on save after you done doing that. Okay, let's move to the next one, the referral programs. And these referral programs, before you can use it, you have to create an account with start.io ads. But for now, you don't need to stress yourself or rush. Just chill. Let me just explain it for you. You don't need to rush about this. After you create an account with start.io, they will give you a code, some code like this, example like this. So you have to put it there, then save it. So whenever a user register through your affiliate links, your ads will be showing in their app automatically, and you'll be earning money in your start.io, your start.io website account rather. So this is your affiliate link, but for now you don't need this. Now let's go to the last one, new features. This new features is where they will show you what is new on AppCreator24. Maybe they change some things, they add something, they improve something. As you can see here, like they improve something in their application. They add something that could make your application looks more professional. So this is where you will see it, this new update, as you can see over here. So this is what this place is useful for, to receive new updates about AppCreator24. Okay, alright guys, this will be the end of the tutorial of today. I'll be posting next tutorial on Thursday. So on next tutorial I'll be talking about general info about the name, the icon, and so many things on the next tutorial. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's for your own benefit and mine, so just hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.